Are you looking for a way to have social groups that can interact and have discussions, look at links, look at videos together without having to depend on a social media platform? Well, then today's tool will help you do that. Let's go. Obviously, you can create open or closed groups in Facebook or other social media platforms, and you put things out there and you hope they'll participate. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't, but some people aren't even on that social media platform actively, so then they can't participate or access the stuff. So today's tool eliminates all that. It's social media platform agnostic. You manage the whole thing and you don't have to worry about any interference from an outside company. And today's tool is in HighLevel, and it's HighLevel's groups and communities. And I'm really excited to tell you about it because it's a brand new feature in Go HighLevel, and you don't have to pay extra to use this feature in Go HighLevel. So this feature can be found in the memberships area, where you have courses, which we'll talk about some other time, but now we have communities. And again, it's a new feature. So you can choose your groups within the communities. And so you see I have one set up right here for my Google group in Ohio, as I'm a Grow with Google digital coach. So here is my community group. This is a brand new group I've set up, so I don't even have very many people in it yet. I'm working on getting more people excited and involved in this group, but this is a brand new feature. So here we are where we have a home area. I've created a general info area and a Google Business Profile information area. So you can add channels, which is similar to Slack in that regard. And this is a discussion area. So I can post materials and people can thumbs up or respond in comments. And I love this because people can have their own discussions, and you can create these channels around affinity groups or around topics or around whatever's appropriate for your group. You also have an about. You can see how many members are present, how many posts have been in there. It's a private group, but you can also have a public group. And then you can provide users of the group with different links if they're important to the overall topic of the group. Soon they're going to be adding learning, meaning you can connect these to courses that you've created, and then you can have a tab where you can see the people who are involved in your group. There's different settings you can set up, which includes a URL that you can create, which I've created one around our domain, and then you can create the ending for each and every group that you create, which is awesome. You can brand the group, so you can pick colors from your brand, and you can upload favicons, which I've uploaded our logo. You can decide what this is, a public or private group, and you can switch it, so that's nice. And then the links I was showing you are promotional links. So these are links to important events. They could be links to YouTube channels that would help and support what's going on in the group. So that's a quick tour of the group. The sky is the limit on the uses for these new community groups that have been created in Go HighLevel. I like to provide that extra value to my clients. So if my clients want to host a course in Go HighLevel with me, which is what we do, then they have this community group available that they can have a closed group coaching session with certain clients. You can charge people to be part of a group. That can be set up easily in Go HighLevel. And there's lots of opportunity here. If you're in need of a platform that doesn't depend on Facebook or other social media, then this is the tool for you. There's no extra charge. It's the one charge for Go HighLevel. If you click the link in the description, you get a 14-day free trial with Go HighLevel. If you are in the emergency services, military, or a teacher, or are a former member of any of those groups, I will set up your Go HighLevel account personally and put some of my snapshots and extra goodies into your account for you. Click the link below, 14-day free trial, no obligation. I would love to get you into this software because you won't be disappointed. It does so many more things. Check out some of our other cool tool videos to see what else Go High Level can do for you and your business. Click to subscribe. We'd love to share more cool tools with you every Monday. And remember, without impact, it doesn't matter. Take care.